So we have another set of textiles here.
Yep.
What we got?
All singing, all dancing, Karakum top, Karakum base. Alright? So when I've explained this to dealers that I've visited, etc., I've said this is basically the result of a dirty night out between a Karakum Evo and a Hakuna 2 jacket, and then obviously the pants system. Why? Because what you have here is a fully bendable outer jacket. It's got pockets, it's HLS ready, adjustable strappings, you know, all the stuff you expect from a Held jacket, right?
HLS Held light system.
Yeah, you know, made by Osram, white lights down the front, red lights down the back, etc. All that malarkey.
Yep.
Available for jackets, rucksacks, safety vests, blah blah. Right, so you've got that. What you've also got is, you open it up, and this is where you'll see what I mean about its dirty night out between the two systems. Because obviously on the Hakuna jacket it's got a built-in waterproof membrane. On the Karakum Evo it's got a detachable one. With this you can see obviously this is how the clip-in system works. You can buy this clip-in jacket separately. It's probably cheaper to buy a regular jacket, to be fair. But you have a fully finished Gore-Tex liner. So this is basically, for want of a better term, a pro shell jacket. Alright? The mastery of this is it fits underneath and it fits over the top, just like the Karakum Evo. So on a cooler day you can wear it underneath, it keeps the wind out obviously. On a horrible murky day, if you're riding around dirty lanes, you want to keep your kit clean, you can take it out, you can wear it over the top and it fits and it doesn't flap about. You know, so you've got that dual thing, but also the pants do it. So you've got the detachable Gore-Tex liner that comes out of the pant and you can wear them over the top of the pants.
That's all astounded me. Don't ask how. Just know that it does go underneath and over the top.
I like the fact that you say don't ask how, because everybody asks me, how do you do that? I'm like, I don't design it, I just sell it.
Yeah, but it does go over the top, it does go underneath, and it's not flappy, not baggy, and it's just works. Yeah,
and in a previous video we spoke about one-piece oversuits, right? And the fact that certain oversuits don't zip together. This one does. So basically you've got an inner connecting zip there, hopefully you can see that, and you've got it on the liner of the trousers as well. So obviously when it's over the top of your product you can zip it together and it seals everything in, so the jacket's not going to ride up, the pants aren't going to fall down, and you're going to be totally covered. But again, you can wear this in its own right. I've known people that walk the dog in these, go for a jog in them, etc. They are a full Gore-Tex inner jacket and it fits over the top. But then again, you've got a lovely outer on both that fit over the top. Now this comes in two different colours. Comes in plain black, and then it comes in like a beige, red and black, which is obviously for your kind of KTM rider, etc. That likes a bit of colour. But you know, it's got everything going on. It is, you know, it's smart. It's functional. It does, you know, it does what it says on the tin. It's going to keep you dry. It's Gore-Tex, so you've got that extendable warranty again that we've spoken about loads of times.
5 years online.
5 years online, so it extends it to an extra 3 years over the top of what we offer already. So it's 2 years from us on the construction, then you obviously get another 3 years waterproofing from Gore over the top of that. Anything Held Gore-Tex is available for that. So that's boots, gloves, jacket, pants. If you bought them recently, go onto the Held website, held.de, look for the tab that says services, and you'll see it comes up 5 year extended warranty. And that's where you upload everything. Easy, real simple, right? But this is a nice suit, isn't it?
It is a nice suit, yeah. So that is the
Karakum top. Karakum base, sits just below the Karakum Evo in the range. You know, nice and affordable for a serious bit of kit.
We like it.
We like it a lot.